Dear students, I am pleased to inform you that the complete solutions for the assignment have been carefully prepared and explained in this video. You can watch the video and directly write the answers in your assignment in a clear and structured manner. All answers are designed as per IGNOU guidelines with proper explanation, examples, and presentation style to help you score well. If you find it helpful and would like a PDF copy of the complete answers for easy reference, feel free to mention it in the comment section and it will be shared with you. So go through the video attentively and start preparing your assignment with confidence. Also, please like and subscribe for exam preparation of MBA IGNOU exam. You can pause video and write assignment.